10 munud Hefin.
Okay.
Cwpan ti hwnna?
Ie. Yn gwybod ni hwnna. 10 munud. Perffaith. Is the Lord Samon? Is the Lord Music is down the corridor. Music is down the corridor.
Na, dim...
No, music's down further on down the corridor. I'm sorry about this.
Sorry.
Further on down the corridor. Oh, sorry bod fi'n hwyr. Okay, helo. A chroeso. Bore da. Helo, Hefin dwi. Helo, Hefin.
Hello, Hefin.
Da iawn. Pwy ydych chi?
Steve Dewey.
Da iawn.
Tom Dewey.
Da iawn.
Louise dwi.
Pwy yw hwn? O, wel da fi. Cyflwynwch fi yn y ddosbarth hefyd. Ie. Helo, Hywel dda.
Hello, Hywel da.
Hywel dda. Always dda. Right, Hywel dda.
Yellow.
So do try to pay particular attention to this part of the course. Very important. It's going to come up in everyday conversation because he's an icon, not just my words, the words of the Western Mail. Got some. Okay, barod now. Geirfa vocabulary. Geirfa. Here we go. Brenin, which means king. Cyfraith, which means law. Deheubarth. Southwesterly part of his kingdom, but we'll discuss that in more detail later. It's going to come up again. It's going to crop up again. Unrhyw gwestiynau, any questions about Hywel dda?
A dyma ni'r dosbarth Gymraeg.
Sorry I'm late.
Beth yw hwn?
Camgymeriad. Mistake, to be sorry.
Ach, a fi.
Am flin fi. Reit. Hywel dda.